My name is Joy Formosa. I'm here at my practice at West End in Brisbane, and we're going to be talking today about what is your body type. I have a lot of clients that come to me and say, "Oh, Joy, tell me, can you feel my pulse and tell me what your body type is?" And I said, "Yeah, I can, but is that what is so important to you?" And they said, "Yeah, because as soon as I know what my body type is, then I actually know what I can do." And I said, "Well, what are you going to do with that information?" And they said, "Oh, because I read that I'm, more passionate and I'm more determined," or, some other people have read, "Yeah, I have trouble with sleeping and this is why I have so many problems," and things like that. And I say, first of all, what's really important in Ayurveda, they talk about body type. And body type means to understand what your prakriti is. So your prakriti is what is given to you at birth. So your mom and your dad and your DNA, this is determined by what's happening for them at that time and what's happening for the conceiving of both those two DNA at that time, right? So you can actually be also conceived with imbalance because of what's going on. So it's very important. Ayurveda talks about conceiving, but that's another topic, right? So when we look at prakriti, you are born with a certain DNA that never changes, right? So you actually have a certain body type that you will have through your life. And knowing what that body type is, is really important. So, but what is more important is also know what your imbalance is, and we call this vikriti in Ayurveda. So if you have an imbalance of, let's say, vata, then there is a problem with the fact of the nervous system. And we will try to balance pitta, but we can't because vata is causing you so many problems. So we, as always practitioners, we manage the imbalance first, and then we get you to live accordingly to your body type. So there are 3 body types, and they're broken down, and you can have combinations of, 2 of them usually. It's called bidosha, but you will have vata, pitta, or kapha. So we'll go into more detail in other blogs what they actually are. So you can understand, am I vata, am I more pitta, am I more kapha, and which combination are you? Because guess what? As soon as you know that, you have your framework to actually know how best to eat, how best to do different sports. Did you know that different body types should do different sports? So, a vata shouldn't necessarily do marathon running, right? And so when you get to know that, you actually get to set up like your own design for your life. So it's quite exciting. And when you start living accordingly to that, your body becomes more relaxed, more balanced, and has the ability to have its own internal pharmacy, which is its own medication to make sure that you're keeping well. So find out what your body type is. It's really quite a great thing to know. And we'll take you into more information as we go into all the different blogs that you can find out more and start to really grow your knowledge in Ayurveda. So you too can have the health and the body that you really do deserve.